Hello guys. This is a modding tutorial for Friday Night Funkin. It's just here to help because I see a lot of people like wonder where it is. To put it lightly, there is like the example stages and like example dialogue stuff. It doesn't appear because they updated the GitHub. So here's an example from Dave's Fun Psych Engine tutorials. He tries to go to the older like GitHub, and it has like the API like example scripts and stuff. Basically, to find these and like to actually follow the tutorial, there's two ways you can do it. It's really difficult to do some of them though. But so yeah, what you want to do is like I have a link in the description for all of these right here. So you like set like all of the stuff here. The other thing you can do is go to the WayBackMachine and put this page in. I'll show you tutorial on it in a sec. And you can just come back here. I'll show you now. So here we are at the WayBackMachine. So what you want to do from here is go to the GitHub for Friday Night Funkin' Psych Engine. All right, so I have made a mistake. Basically, your the actual link in the description now is the correct one. So you're gonna want to just delete this, paste this, and now it should, yeah, this build. Do the May and the first snapshot for May of the 2023rd. Give it a sec to load again. All right, now instead of like this version right here, if you clicked on it like the newer version, it would just say this page was moved. And if you want like the codes and stuff, you go to this link. I'll put it in the description as well. And then you'll find all these example scripts. Clicking on one, like the dialogue script. Give it a sec again. It will download the script.lua. And you did it. You figured out how to get all the scripts. Like you learned how to use the WayBackMachine and stuff. Remember, these scripts will also be in the description. So I'll see you later. Hopefully this helped.